Hey guys, it's Lindsay and welcome back to my channel and to a unboxing of the Christmas Eve box from Glam Planner. So this is going to be a separate video because I didn't want to spoil this for anyone. So if you guys haven't opened yours or you don't want to see what's inside or just anything in general, don't watch this video. This video is going to go up a little bit early on Christmas Eve. So Merry Christmas, guys. Or almost Christmas. Merry Christmas Eve. I kind of wanted to say Happy Christmas Eve, but that was yesterday. So anyway, this video is going to be going up on Christmas Eve, and I'm going to open the Christmas Eve box just so you guys can see what's in it, if anyone is curious, and I don't know, I wanted to haul it. So this is what it came in. I have a little piece of paper here that is covering the shipping label on the top of it. This was what my address was, so yeah, and then it did ship in just like a plain red box. Not black, that is not black at all, Lindsay. And then opening it up, this is what you see on the inside. So you have a bunch of red tissue paper, and then you have a couple of like little things in here. So you have a pretty decent amount of little things in here. I did already go ahead and open these because I have zero chill and I am like literally incapable of opening these like on the day that they're supposed to be opened. So I did already like sneak peek these, and I am actually really excited for them. So I am going to go ahead and take all of these out and move the box out of the way just so it's not like obnoxious. So I will start with the ones just on top and then move on from there. So each thing comes in a bag. It's a really pretty snowflake bag, and then it had a little like silver seal on it. So this is what it's all packaged in, and then you just obviously open it and that's what's inside of it. So first thing that we have is some post-it notes. So you have a things I should do, and then it has little like Nope Girl. This is from her Case of the Mondays kit, which is a very popular kit. So you have that, and then you do have these smaller post-it notes that have little eyelashes on them, and these are just like the normal like kind of size post-it notes that you usually get from planning shops. So that is your first one. Really cute. And then there is a theme with all this if anyone is curious. So there is a theme. Next you have this bag, which has 2 pens in it. So I'm actually really excited for these. So the first one that you have is this one. It's here. Sorry about the going in and out of focusing. I know it's annoying, but you know, that's what we gotta do. So this one has some gold hardware on it, and it's kind of like a Pen Gems pen, but it's not quite. And then it has some like white crystals in the center right here. Really pretty. And then this one, if I can open it, there we go. This one is one of the gem like top ones. So it's white, has some gold hardware again on it, and then it has that little clear crystal gem. I do have a couple of these from her mystery kits. I did unsubscribe from her mystery kit, but I do have a couple of these already, which are really cute. So you have 2 pens right there. And then in the next one, this one I'm most excited for. Like, I am so excited for this one. This one we have foil. I love foil. I'm obsessed with foil, and Glam Planner foil is very nice and just gorgeous. So you have some checklists in silver and in gold, which I don't really use these, but I can always cut them and just kind of put them on whatever. But yeah, so they are silver and gold foiled checklists. You have some arrows, which are really cute. I don't think she's ever sold these either. But there's like little squiggly arrows. There's like a box. I love it. It's so cute. And you also get those in the gold and the silver. You have some overlays. So this one is a full box overlay. And this one says reach for the stars and you are worth it. And I love it. And then there are 2 like star overlays on here, and these are in hollow, and just oh my god, they're beautiful. Also my camera's flashing, so I really hope it doesn't die. I think it's going to soon, so if it cuts me off, I'm sorry. But yeah, you have those, and then you do have glitter overlays. These are really hard to see, or glitter header overlays, but they are hollow as well. Like I said, they're really hard to see. Like I could barely see them in person. But yeah, so you have those. In the next one, you have some die cuts, which is exciting. So you have, again, that little girl with a Nope from her Case of the Mondays kit. You have this Nope coffee cup mug, and then you have a little, I think it's called pronounced bays. I'm not 100% sure, but this is a candle that's like, oh, that's on my board. I was like, what is this? That's like a really popular candle. So you get some die cuts. Okay, next we have the kit, which is so cute. Oh my god, I'm obsessed with the kit. And you do get a decent amount of like extras and stuff like that in here too. So I'm really excited for this. So first thing that you have is this full box. It's a double box that is like of a like office desk, which is really cute. You have some glitter headers. You have the Fashion Girls. Is it weird that I'm like kind of weirdly obsessed with the redhead? I like love her hair and I'm not 100% sure why, but yeah, you have that. And then moving on to the kit, you have your full box. There is a lot of that like polka dot-ness to it, which obviously is what she planned on doing, but it's kind of a lot. It's cute, but it is a little overwhelming, I will be honest, at least in my opinion, because there's a lot of it, especially when you go through the kit, you realize there's a lot more of it. So that's just my opinion, but I do still really love the kit. I love this double box, and I love how the planner right here has this kit in it, and then it has a planner behind it. Like, oh, so cute. So those are your full boxes, and then you have your checklist. So you're going to see a lot of this polka dot pattern throughout the whole thing. You have 2 more full boxes, which are different skin tones, just in case if you wanted to switch out the skin tones. And then you have day covers, some boxes, a flight tracker, film, edit, upload, and 2 sidebar stickers. You have some half boxes, checklist, quarter boxes, payday, and 2 bill dues. Weekend banner, deco, movie marquee, some like kind of functional deco here, some flags, habit trackers, and checklists. You have little things and icons. You have washi and headers. And then you have your bottom washi with some work labels. Like I said, this pattern is... So the camera did cut me off. I think the last thing I had to show you was this, but yeah. So the washi is that same pattern. So it's a lot of the same pattern, but it's still a really, really, really gorgeous kit, and I do really like that. And then finally, last but not least, you get this giant one. Okay, camera, what are you doing? Okay, stay in focus. You get this last one, which is pretty giant, and it is a pouch, which is really, really, really cute. It's a marble pouch, which you can literally put whatever in. You can put everything that you got in this box in it, but it's really, really pretty. It's just white on the inside, and then it has gold hardware on it, and it is a marble pouch, and it is a leather pouch, which is really nice. So I don't know exactly what I'm going to use this for, because I don't usually put my planner supplies in pouches, but this is just absolutely gorgeous. So that is pretty much everything that you get in this little box. You have the pouch, some die cuts, some glitter overlays and stuff, some pens, and then finally some little, what's it called, post-it notes. So overall, I think this box was like $53, $55, somewhere around there. It was like a 50-something dollar thing, and her kits alone are about $30, and then if you add all the foil on and the die cuts and everything, it's definitely worth it. I do really like everything that it came in it. This is probably my favorite, honestly. This like holographic overlay right here is probably my all-time favorite of this whole entire thing. But that is going to be the Christmas Eve box from Glam Planner. I figured I would go ahead and haul this for you guys just so you guys can see it and unbox it and everything. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, as always, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and let me know if you got this box and what your favorite part of it was in the comments down below, because I'm curious. And I will see you guys in another video very, very soon. Bye guys, and Merry Christmas!